about to go down. Oh yes. What's good, June Squad? It's your boy June, and today we are in Dunedin, guys, for the Florida Ski Riders 2021. Was it? We can't call it Invasion anymore, so we're gonna call it Excursion. It's the Dunedin Excursion, people, and we are deep. As you guys see on the drone, it's pretty deep. You probably got, if you can see, there's people going for a little ways there, but we are gonna go ahead and ride up to I believe is Rutgers Island, or the sandbar, and everything's beautiful over there. We're gonna go over there, hang out for a little bit, and then hit a couple other sandbars. But guys, it is a beautiful freaking day out here today. So nice. I almost missed it. I got my last Corona shot and I went down for a couple of days, and I almost didn't make it here, but thank God I'm here. I'm here to ride with everybody. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on the ski and get out of here. So don't forget to make sure you stick around to the end of the video, because it's gonna be a crazy day. Peace out, guys. Don't know the name of the sandbar, so I can't really tell you what it is. So don't expect a lot of good information from me today, because it's not gonna happen. I'll try to update you as we go along. But we are close to 3 Rutgers, and this might be 3 Rutgers sandbar. I don't know, but we coming in hot.
Well, you can join us.
Hey,
Hanging out for 30 minutes. We're ready to go next month.
slow and steady. Slow and steady always wins the race. Okay, we got a super fan. What was your favorite video of mine?
Egg monkey too.
Egg monkey. Hey, so she was about teamwork. Teamwork.
What about the one where they were jumping? The one that was good. At Jupiter.
Oh, you're talking about Sebastian.
Sebastian, yeah.
Oh, where we're jumping waves.
Monster hole.
The monster hole.
my God.
So
Right now we're gonna
straighten
this guy out.
We're gonna straighten this guy out. Why? Because he's talking to your wife, right?
My darky.
Is Darky? He's Darky.
All the skis out there.
Oh!
You really get along. You can't be messing with my girl. You take it.
Trying to figure out what's going on.
Hey, he said you were married to him, so you don't want nobody talking to him. Everybody say jetski. Property. It belongs to somebody. It's pretty neat how they just got this out here in the middle of the sandbar. Pretty dope. Probably like a fisherman dock or something like that. But it's in between the North Sandbar, right on the other side of Anklo. I think that information is correct, by the way. I did some homework while I was at the sandbar. But pretty dope. I'm waiting for everybody to kind of like go. It's kind of choppy. We're gonna get back in the line here. Everybody's just zooming by. You see, we're headed to 3 Ruckers. That's where we're headed to right now. So that's where you'll see us next. Let's go. What's up?
How the hell you doing, Mike?
Good, man. How you doing?
Man, good to see you.
Good. Same to you, brother. Hey. Ooh, come around the corner. There's everybody. What's up, Bubba? Squeeze it through, squeeze it through.
Glad to see you, bro.
Listen, brother, I told you I come in style.
Hey, we thought you flipped off somewhere.
Nah, me and the wife are cruising. I got a bare hand, so I'm not running hard. Yeah, you're gonna need something like that to beat me, buddy. Yo, hello.
There's the other one that likes watching your videos.
Oh, really? What's your name? What's your name? What is it? Isabella. Nice to meet you, Isabella. Beautiful name, definitely.
What's your favorite video? Tell them.
The monster hole?
No, question. Because I had Jones.
I don't know, do you, jetski, bro? Woo! Got an anchor, guys. We are at 3, what is this?
The first item is 3 Ruckers.
3 Ruckers. We're at 3 Ruckers right now, and I swear to you guys that the information is coming to you somewhat okay. I'm not 100%, don't quote me on it, but I know I'm somewhere around here. Sir, I heard you bust your ass.
No. I had a spiral 360 flip kick and I let go at the right moment. Clean dismount, dude. It would have been a 10 if I was in the Olympics.
All right, so we're riding down there. Danny decides to be silly. He disappears. Me, Randy, and Joe, PWC Muscle, we're going down this nice mangrove. We're hooking it. And, you know, Randy's got the camera. He's doing really good. He's got his camera out. He's like this. He's doing it, right? He turns around to look.
Show me on the ski. I gotta see it on the ski.
Right here. He's on there. He does what he does best, right? And his knee slips, and he's like, oh! Grabs the throttle. He grabs the throttle so much that the nose completely goes under. Hey, Lily. Hey.
And the G-force.
And he did this. He did this. Hi.
Let Jesus take the wheel.
But did he try high-fiving you as he went by you?
He looked right at me. I mean, he's looking at me while he did it. I was like,
He said, "Oh no! Oh no!"
He's gonna go after us.
It was a strategic dismount.
Dismount. That's the word. Dismount.
It was the best dismount
I didn't
Randy's
fall.
ever done.
Yeah.
I dismounted.
We got his glasses.
Were you there?
No, I wish I was though,
But the,
because I would have been all over YouTube.
oh, we got his. Hey, look, we got his hat. We got his glasses. The GoPro.
You saved his glasses.
Right there. Boom. Just stop. Randy, you okay?
All right, people, we are now headed to, where are we headed? Nobody knows. I think we're headed to Calidisi's Island. That's where we're going, to Calidisi Island, guys. Everybody's hauling butt. We're getting out of here. I don't know if you remember, but back in the day, I put a video, well, when I was out here in Dunedin the last time, we did a video where I found an abandoned boat in the middle of the water. Very famous boat. Jigging with Jordan came, found the boat, did a little something on here. But the boat from the last time looks terrible. It looks like it's literally breaking apart because it used to have a floor. So I guess it fell down. But yeah, it's rotting away here. It's definitely rotting away. The crazy thing is that it's still there. To see, but I mean, I really don't know how I feel about an abandoned boat just rotting away in the water, but it's a pretty cool structure sitting there though. What's up, babe? Uh-oh. I got grass in my intake. Got grass in my intake. You? All right, we're gonna go straight out. Guys, so we are now back at Dunedin, but we are getting ready to haul butt over to Shepherd's to get some food because we are starving. The sun has beat on my forehead, something crazy, but we're hungry. Wifey's hungry. She's actually been like yelling at me because I haven't gotten her any food yet, and it's now like 2:30 in the afternoon. So I gotta go take care of her and make sure she gets some food in her system before she tears me up. But we're headed to Shepherd's, guys. Let's go. So we just made it to Shepherd's. Some craziness because you gotta anchor down out there, and current is moving, there's chop all over the place, so it's kind of hard to get the ski in there. We'll keep it locked down. You see the little mechanism we got going on from here all the way out there. Probably got about 3 anchors tied in.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
That's right. We are starving. Are we not?
Yes.
Shepherds, here we come. So guys, this is the end of the video. Dude, I am super tired. As you probably can see it all over my face. It's been a crazy day, crazy day. I'm in a lot of pain. I almost didn't make it because my hand, as you can see, is swollen. And you know, I toughed it out. I had to be here for the 21, you know, Florida Ski Riders Dunedin Excursion. Man, beautiful day. I had a blast, man. Wifey had a blast. You know, this area is a beautiful area to come venture and check out. Dunedin is just, it's beautiful out here, guys. I can't say it enough. But don't forget, guys, I'm going to Puerto Rico in June. I'm going to be doing some crazy adventures over there, from zip lining to waterfalls to caves and even jet skiing. We're going to be riding with the locals out in Puerto Rico, and we're going to do a whole day of that. You guys stay tuned for that. Don't forget to show your love by sharing the video, liking this video, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, guys. But again, I appreciate you guys for watching. I love you guys. You know, we out of here. I'm gonna take it with my man. Hey!
Thank you guys so much for coming out, man. I think the official count was 367.
367, I didn't tell you guys that.
367, and they were counted as they went underneath the bridge. And you know, the haters say it's Photoshop.
Yeah, it's 49.
But it's okay, it's 49. But listen, we love you guys. You came out. We came, we saw, we conquered June's World, June Squad, Florida Ski Riders, Ski Rider Nation. We love you.
We love y'all. We out of here.
Let's put it in drive, give it a little bit of fuel. For you guys that want to get into this jet ski life, we itchy free, we can gang ski, we get stuck in everything right on